Welcome to another episode of Dealing with People in Business. This title, I really didn't know what I was going to choose, but don't be a salty individual. Don't be a salty individual. Just step your game up, man. Don't be salty. This is what I mean by don't be a salty individual. Worry about your own life. When you worry about your own life, you can focus on your own life. All right? When you focus on your own life, you can improve. You can succeed more. You can do more things. You can get more money. You can change your situation. You can get more views. You can get more exposure. You can get popular. If that's what you want, you can travel and broaden your horizons when you focus on you. But what I'm seeing is people, they get salty. And what I mean by salty, they get agitated. They get jealous, envious, upset, angry, mad. For the simple fact is another person is doing better than them, achieving more than them, being more successful than them, maybe getting more views on their videos than them, getting more money than them, being more popular than them, traveling more than them, just being a more successful person than they are. And they get salty. They feel some type of way about that. They get envious and jealous, upset. And usually when a person gets upset, they criticize that person that they're salty about. That person is making you salty. They're ruffling your feathers because they are succeeding and they are focusing on them. You gotta focus on you and only you. And the reason why you're salty is because you're not stepping your game up. That's all you gotta do. It's simple. Just step your game up. Focus on you so you can step your game up. And when I say step your game up, I mean get out of your comfort zone. Do something different. Improve on your life and your lifestyle. Research. Take initiative to improve your life. Focus on you. Just worry about that. Why are you worried about what somebody else is doing? You worried about what somebody else is doing because it's making you feel insecure about what they're doing. You're getting salty, man. You're a salty individual because you're insecure. You're going to have to be more secure about what you're doing and about what you're capable of doing. And the only way you can do that is just focus on you and worry about your own life. That's it. It's simple. You have all you need to succeed. Step your game up. Worry about you. Worry about your next move. Worry about your own plans, your own strategies. Then you can get ahead. You can get further. You can get more money. You can get more views if that's what you want. You can get more exposure. You can build your brand. You can get that job opportunity. You can get this career, you can get your business off the ground if you focus on you and what you gotta do in your life. Because if you don't focus on you, who else is gonna focus on you? Nobody else is. God helps those who help themselves. You gotta focus on yourself. You gotta improve your life. You gotta help yourself. You gotta step outside of your comfort zone. You see? Put a little pizzazz in your life. Stop being so boring. You gotta do something different, man. Appreciate. Smile. Say hello. It doesn't hurt to say hello to people. You gotta do what your heart tells you to. This is Masters at Wagtail, and I'll see you in the next one. Dealing with business and people. Yo.